everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mimi Lee here. If you guys are new, I hope you stick around and subscribe. If you guys are not new, thank you so much for coming back to my channel and tuning in again. And also, this is like the worst timing ever, but I broke a nail and I want to show you guys what it looks like on my skin tone, and I'm missing a nail, so that's not cute, and I cannot get it done until tomorrow because right now nail salons are only doing appointments, so they're not taking any walk-ins, so my appointment's not until tomorrow. So please excuse the busted nail, okay? My friend told me to put a band-aid on it and I was like, oh no girl, I can't do the band-aid. I'd rather just have it missing. So today's video is going to be a Cartier unboxing. I will not talk too much about it because I want to do a birthday haul and share this with you guys and talk more. But basically this is a gift from my boyfriend. So he got it for me for my birthday, and it's funny because my mom originally wanted to get it for me, and before that I was going to get it for myself. So the fact that my mom and my boyfriend wanted to get this item for me just means a lot already. So my boyfriend ended up getting it for me because he told me not to take any money from my mom, so he got it for me instead, and I'm really excited to share with you guys what's in here and show you guys the unboxing. I will still probably include this item into my haul, but I wanted the unboxing to have its own video to let it shine on its own because this is my very first piece from Cartier and hopefully not my last. But I wanted this unboxing to be, you know, kind of special and share with you guys little details, the packaging and the experience, and then in the haul I'll show it once more. But this video is going to be more in-depth and to show you guys what you get when you buy from Cartier. So here is the bag. It's this really pretty deep red color with the Cartier in the front in gold. So beautiful. And my sales associate there wrote happy birthday onto the card for me. How cute is that? Literally the sweetest essay ever. She was so kind, so patient. She let me try on the different colors, and she knew my size immediately from looking at my hand. She probably sees hands all day, so just from looking at my hand she knew exactly what size I was, and she brought it out for me. And this is actually the last piece in that store, so I was really excited to get it. So there is a lot of tissue paper, which I thought was nice because it makes it look, you know, all puffy and pretty. And in here, let's start off with the receipt holder. So this is the receipt holder that they give you. So in here is your receipt, is this long one, the business card, and the certificate of the item. So here is the little certificate here. This is so cool. The certificate is a little book, and when you open it up, the certificate's kind of long, so I'm going to hide like the personal information there, but this is what it should look like. So in here just has the serial number and the date of purchase with like a Cartier stamp. Maybe I can hide this part, hide that part from you guys so you can see. So that's nice that it comes with like a authenticity booklet here, and the front of the booklet has the gold foiled Cartier right there. So nice. Has your receipt in there, and then she also gave me a little travel pouch, so whenever you're traveling and you want to put your ring away. Here is the inside of the flap, and she gave me chocolates inside. How cute. She also gave me a baggie of chocolates as well. Oh, she gave me like a little like catalog book. Oh my god, that's so nice of her. There's another thing in here that she told me to not share with you guys, so I'm so sorry I can't show you guys that. But here is the box. Let me take this out. She asked me if I wanted it wrapped up and everything, and I said yes please, like I want to film a video for YouTube, so please. And she did for me, and it has like the little seal stamp there on the other side as well. It's in there good. Okay, got it. So here is the box. It's so cute. The beautiful red with the gold foil lettering. Alright, let's unbox. Here is the packaging. Oh, it opens out. Oh my gosh, it opens out like that. Wow, so beautiful. Alright, so the box, you press down and it should open like that. Alright, so here is the ring. I got the JUSTE CLOU. I think that's how you say it. Correct me if I'm wrong. I got it in rose gold. So I picked out the rose gold because I felt like on my skin tone it looked pretty good, but the yellow gold didn't look bad either, but a lot of my friends said rose gold was better. So maybe I'll get another piece in the future and it could be yellow gold, because I know that I definitely want to start collecting these when I can. And as you can see, it's rose gold but with like a very like light tint to it. I feel like it's not as pink as a lot of rose golds can appear to be. When she had it on the tray, I couldn't tell the difference between the rose gold and the yellow gold until I wore them, because on my skin then you can see better, but as you can see it's not too pink. So this one can fit on my pointer finger or my middle finger. I think I will keep it on my middle finger. I think it looks better that way. I don't know if you guys can see, but please ignore my missing nail, but I think it looks good on my middle finger the most. And she also agreed, and she said that, you know, if I want to get more pieces then I could stack them, and that's definitely something I would love to be able to do in the future. But I think this is going to be a great first piece and I want to enjoy it for a while before I think about adding more. So cute. I love it, you guys. I really do love it a lot. I love the way it looks. It just looks so different, and like the style like this and the love ring are so classic to Cartier, so I definitely want to add a love ring in the future. But I felt like the JUSTE CLOU, the nail style, is something I wanted to start off with first. And also a little tip about rings, if you guys didn't know, like during the summer or hotter weather, your fingers will, you know, be a little bit more swollen, I guess you would say. Kind of like with shoes, like when you're walking your feet get swollen because like the heat, the pressure and stuff. And during the winter your fingers get a little bit like skinnier because it's like colder. So when you're picking out your rings, that's something you need to consider. Also, just a little note, the skinnier one is going to be more comfortable to wear every day. However, she did let me know that if I went with the bigger one, that the little nail part right here, you guys can see that little nail part, can poke you and it might hurt a little because it's pretty sharp. I can see like it's pretty pointy, but since it's more closer to my skin, it's not as fat, I won't have an issue with it rubbing against my skin on my other fingers. So that's something to keep in mind if you guys are looking at the different sizes. I personally like daintier jewelry. I like that it just looks so feminine on, so that's why I went with the skinnier one. So I feel like going forward I might do like a bunch of the smaller rings, so that way when you stack them it looks good with another ring on top. So yeah, that's why I went with this one. It also fits on my other hand really nicely in the middle finger. So if you guys are wondering, I am a size 6 and she told me that's the most popular size apparently, and of course it would happen to me because my size shoe is 7, and I feel like those are the ones that are always sold out first. Like 7 is like pretty average, I think. Alright everyone, that's it to this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know down below if you guys have this ring or you guys are looking at this ring. Any tips on wear and tear or how to care for the ring, I'd really appreciate it. And if you guys are actually interested in the love ring, my friend actually has one, so I'll link her video down below. She did a wear and tear on it. I don't personally have that ring yet, but once I do, I'll definitely make a video as well. But I'm really enjoying this ring so far and I love it so much. Let me know down below what you guys think, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye everyone!